So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is the Tinkering Cook, and for today's video I'm gonna share to you how I cook one of my comfort food and I enjoy eating when I was growing up, and I'm gonna put a twist on it. And also, because lately I've been absolutely smitten with a certain type of pizza, and this is the one that they drizzled with a Donair sauce, and it's becoming my go-to for movie nights. And let me tell you, I can get enough of that sweet and savory goodness. You see, as an Asian food lover, a hint of sweetness in my dishes is a must. Today's video, I decided to whip up something special. A sweet style Filipino spaghetti with a Donair-inspired twist. It's a bit personal, a bit casual, and it's all about the flavor. Let's dive in. Before we get started, here's what you'll be needing. 1 kilogram of spaghetti noodles, 500 grams of ground beef, 8 to 9 pieces of hot dogs or sausages sliced, and usually I slice it like this. You'll be needing 2 onions, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, but for this dish I opt to have the roasted garlic, which is minced already like this, to add an extra flavor for our spaghetti. 2 cups of spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce, 2 cups of tomato sauce, 1 cup of tomato paste, 2 cups of grated Parmesan cheese, and of course you'll be needing salt and pepper to taste. And for a white sauce, which is a Donair-inspired addition sauce, 1 cup of condensed milk. You'll be needing 1 cup of cream of mushroom, and of course you'll be needing 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. There you go guys, that's our ingredient for our Filipino style spaghetti with a Donair-inspired twist. Let's start cooking.